What's your name?
My name's Henry Gallagher and I'm 12 years old.
And where are you from, Henry?
I'm from Wigan.
Who have you brought with you today?
There's everyone. There's my sister, my mum, my dad, my auntie, my uncle, my granddad. There's loads of us.
So you've got a big fan club?
Yeah.
And what do they all think about you being on stage?
They're all really supportive and they all really love it.
So, are you singing an original song today?
Yeah, I wrote it myself.
Wow.
Yeah, it's called Lightning.
What's the song about?
It's about a girl.
Yes. A girl. Tell me more.
That I'd really like to be my girlfriend one day.
Does she know you've written the song for her?
No, she doesn't even, I don't think she even knows me.
Oh, this is so romantic.
Oh my goodness, it's adorable.
What is her name?
I can't say.
Henry, do you not have the courage to ask her out?
No.
The song Henry's performing today, he wrote it for a girl. He's got a bit of a crush on him.
If it got on telly, then she might hear the song,
Yeah,
and then
she might go out with me. I don't think she's ever heard my songs. The lyrics are just about how I felt the first time I saw her. And if she noticed me, I'd just be really happy about that.
Ever since Henry was really young, he's been singing in the house, probably since he was 2. We're really proud of him that he's written the song.
And we think it's brilliant, but we've heard it 200, 300,
Have heard it
400
lots.
times. I could sing it to you now, I know all the words.
I'd love to be a pop star. I'm just really, really excited. I just can't wait to get up on that stage and just perform.
We wish you the best of luck. We can't wait to hear the song now.
Thanks.
Good luck.
I saw her from a distance, out of the corner of my eye. Her hair is shiny and bright. She's the prettiest girl I've ever seen around. I saw her from a distance. She made me wanna smile. Her face is cute and it's beautiful. She's the only girl that stands out in the crowd. I hope you'll notice me sometime. I hope you'll be with me, be mine. You're everything, you're my sunshine. Oh, 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 'cause I've been struck by lightning, lightning, and it's frightening, frightening. I don't ever think I'll be the same again. You're my princess, my girl, you're my interest, my world. You mean everything, everything to me. Make some noise, Manchester! And if you smiled at me, you would make my heart start racing. And it's plain to see, you're so amazing. 'Cause I've been struck by lightning, lightning, and it's frightening, frightening. I don't ever think I'll be the same again. 'Cause I've been struck by lightning, lightning, and it's frightening, frightening. I don't ever think I'll be the same again. You're my princess, my girl, you're my interest, my world. You mean everything, everything to me.
Wow. She is going to have to go out with you now. You're so talented. I mean, you're 12 years old and you can write a pop song that I'm sure would shoot to the top of the charts. You made me think of a little Ollie Murs.
I just wish you would tell us who this girl is, because you would get her in 2 seconds after that performance. Most importantly, you are lovely, and she would fall in love with you first, I'm sure.
What I love about you the most is nothing contrived about you. It's very natural. And the song, the melodies were incredible, and I think that could be a massive hit for you. I really do.
Henry, that song, with a little bit of work, is a really, really good song, Henry. You're very talented.
And I really hope you get the girl, because you're just adorable.
Henry, it's a yes from me.
100% yes.
Absolutely yes.
I think you know what's coming. 4 yeses.
Thank you, everyone.
Did you enjoy it?
I loved it even more than them.
Good lad.
Put together.
Put together, you loved it more.
Thank you very much, everybody. Good night, everyone.
She'll have been watching tonight.
Uh-huh.
Do you think she knows it's her yet?
I don't think she has any idea.
Hopefully, yeah, he does get the girl. He'll go back to school, they'll have a romance, and they'll be together forever.
Good night.
Night.
Thanks, guys.
Good night. Take care.
Oh, it's the best day of my life.